Before we start our laboratory, first we need to zip up our jacket. For number 2, remove all the accessory from our hand or our body. For number 3, make sure the sleeve are not fold to avoid the sleeve stuck at the machine. And then make sure you wearing a shoes while doing this laboratory. In this practical, the trainer was conduct how the power steering main the important role in the some vehicle subsystem. First, we need to switch on 3-phase supply. Switch on main SW switch and make sure the light is lit up. Turn on the AC main switch and then turn on DC ignition key at the trainer. And then start up the inverter. Set up the TPS voltmeter to 0.5 using the VSS and TPS adjuster. Make sure the temperature meter just around 60 to 70 Celsius. Put the handphone on the tire as the angle reader for angle tire. The steering was rotated to the left by 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree, 450 degree and 540 degree. The step was repeated on the right side. This is to see how the tire turning according to the angle on the steering wheel. The maximum angle that steering can turning is 540 degree. This is how the steering was turning by the steering rack to the drive shaft and then to the wheel. This is the maximum point of the steering turning. However, the wheel does not same turning angle with the steering. And then repeat the same step with the TPS voltmeter 1.0. The difference of the TPS we can see from the engine speed. And then for the last reading, we take for the TPS voltmeter 5.0. This we can see the engine speed was around 180 km per hour. From this practical, we also can know the pressure gauge of the steering wheel and then the solenoid A per meter. Before we end the practical, reset the TPS voltmeter to 0 and then turn off the DC ignition key, then turn off the AC main switch. The black main switch was turned off, and then last but not least, 3-phase supply was turning off. All the data was recorded in the table.